Alright, quick video. Me just try and make this one as short as possible. This is for the people them who have problem getting out of bed in the morning. You know, them just feel lazy, not energized. When them there work, them just count down the hours. When they left work, it come like them can't go throughout the day. Maybe them have to try stack up on coffee or stack up on Red Bull, Nitro, any energizer, 5-hour boots kind of thing, if you try to get them throughout the day. And it get to a point where them realize them have to live on all of these substances, all of them artificial things here, just to make them body push through, which you know, so that not good for you already, of course they know, but where you can do, right? So this is something that work for me, and me just share it because I feel like maybe it can help you too, or anybody way I go through this feeling. Alright, when you feel like you lack energy, you can't get up and stuff, sometimes your body need a natural booster. It don't necessarily need nothing artificial. Sometimes it be a spanny food type where you eat a lot of grease, all of them heavy stuff there, them something they burden down your body and make your body heavy, and your muscles and your organs can't operate like how if you operate, because just like car, when you put in certain gas, it function good, and just like your body, when you intake certain things, it function good because it's good for you. Yes, I know people are gonna say, oh God, you know me can't eat healthy because healthy food is so expensive, or why me can't afford them the something they are, the time that I take for prepare, me don't know how to cook natural food and them things there. All of them things are just excuses. Like the internet right now, me I tell you sometimes, you're not, it's sad to say, like you're not even Africa at school, because at the internet you can learn like almost everything off it. But not straight from the point. The food where you put in and where you get out. You see, for me, like if me run every morning and stuff like that, your body naturally gonna use your energy. Running is good. So if you have the time, you run in the evening. You can't even run at night time. You can run at early morning time. You don't have to run and kill yourself, because most people, them are not runner. You know, you're not runner like me where I run 5 miles, 5K, 10K, 20K, and feel in the morning. Yeah, do that in the morning or in the night when you have time. After you walk or run, you can't even do that for half an hour. Like seriously, enough you kill yourself. And go at your own pace. No make nobody tell you say, oh, you have to run at 50 meters per hour, kilometers per hour, or you have to go run uphill, or you have to run over some whole heap of things. No make nobody tell you all of them something. If you mash up your body and mash up yourself. Running a something way, it help your body in so many ways you wouldn't even believe. When you run, and the next day, if you're not a runner or even active like that, you will be pain. You will be pain up, trust me. And maybe the other day you'll feel even worse of pain up. But as the week go by, as the other week progresses, trust and believe, say, you're going to see result, you're going to feel result, you wake up in the morning, you're going to feel like, wow. You get a piece of energy, you not even know where it come from. It just coming like, even if you're tired and you run, automatically the other day, it coming like your body push and it just breathe. I don't know, something about it. It just give you a piece of energy there where it's like you can't get that if you drink Red Bull. You can't get that if people who smoke or whatever them do. You can't get that. It is a natural energy in your body, and especially when you start run It not, as I say, not necessarily have to be running me a tab what work for me. You do power walk, you work out in a gym and stuff. With that way you do, you listen. You come like say you move mountain when you're done. And when you do that, if you can incorporate a better diet, eat healthier and stuff, or just try it. Like maybe when me attack you like, you're always active, you're always athletic, so that easy for you, whatever. All of them stuff their excuse, like anybody can do it. Me not expect you to do it like how another person do it, but just start and you will see. Start and try and you will see what works for you. So all of them lazy mornings there, dead energy, like you're just like, God help. Just try it and you will see the result. Trust and believe me, I tell you people, try it, it works.